Here I am going to show you how to sign in Power BI desktop with your email ID. So if you are having your corporate or work or school email ID, then you are good to go with this is a direct sign in option, or else you can just check the video in the description below and follow those steps to get the email ID that can be used to sign in your Power BI, right? So I'm just going to use that email ID itself here. Just click on the sign in option into this Power BI desktop here. Sign in here. Under this pop-up, just provide your email address. So this email address is being created by me the same way that the below description video shows you. Correct. So this way, just continue here, and it will ask you some password here. So just authenticate it. Either it will ask you the password. So this account is linked with my authenticator app, Microsoft Authenticator app. So it is asking me the authentication, right? So I am just providing that authentication that is linked to my mobile authenticator app. So this is done by me. Here you can, if it is not linked by you, then the password would be required here. Then enter that password and proceed with that. So that way you can just sign in the Power BI desktop here, right? So this way you can just you have just signed in and you can just view your account here. And if you view your account, then it will take you to the app.powerbi.com, and here the settings will come into the picture, and you can just see the settings of your account, right?